Hello everybody, welcome back to another weather update video, as we are going to be talking about the potential for severe weather for the next few days, and we'll be talking about some snow as well. So let's just get right into it. So this is not for today. For today, we do have two just marginal risk areas, one in Texas and Louisiana, and the other one in Mississippi and Alabama. Um, Meaning you have a small chance of seeing an isolated severe thunderstorm warning possibly in your area. The probability for hail is less than 5% in all areas for 1 inch diameter hail. Two 5% areas of seeing winds of 50 knots or stronger within 25 miles of point. So basically, you go here, anywhere inside this brown area within 25 miles of any point in here, you have a 5% chance of seeing some gusty winds. So, two areas in Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi. And then the tornado threat, we have two 2% areas of seeing a probability of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of anywhere in these green oval sector areas. Anywhere else outside of that, chance of seeing a tornado probably won't happen. Not saying it couldn't, but the probability of that happening is very low. So that's for today. Turn our focus to tomorrow, as tomorrow looks like more of a active day. We do have your normal thunderstorm chance out here in this very light green that covers Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida. You also have a slight risk, or not, sorry, marginal risk that goes Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Florida, Georgia, Alabama. I don't know if I said Mississippi. And then we have the slight risk, which is this yellow. That's the second level of severe weather. That includes Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. So we go look at our probabilities. Hail, once again, of seeing 1 inch diameter hail, larger, less than 5%. It could happen, but it's not very likely. Winds. So again, anywhere in this brown, you have a 5% chance of seeing gusty winds of 50 knots or stronger within 25 miles. Then you bump up to 15%. So now you have a higher chance of seeing winds of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of a point. Tornado. We have this large green area, which is a 2% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point in this green area. Then we have a brown 5%. So now it's getting increasingly possible to see a tornado within 25 miles of a point. Now it's a 5% chance. It's still low, but they do happen in the green area, and they can be very strong in the green area. So just know that if you know anybody, or you or anybody who lives in this brown area, be weather aware. So that is for tomorrow. We look at day 3. Not too much is known, just some normal time thunderstorms in Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, and then up in Northern California. Do we have any weather related stuff? It does not look like it. So we'll go to our trusty handy dandy pivotal weather, and we'll look at some of the models for today, and just see what they show. Because there is, yes, finally in northeastern Nebraska and Nebraska, they are finally receiving their snow. They have not gotten much. We have not gotten much snow all year, so we're finally getting our snow in for the winter season, as the winter season's drawn to a close. But as you can see, you get to 1121Z, you start to see some thunderstorms fire up along the area where the biggest concern for storms was. We look at some soundings here. There's no possible hazard type. See the hodograph over here is pretty straight up, and then it loops up and goes back down. And the sounding gets very straightforward, very concise with it. Nothing that would show any signs of concern for me or any meteorologist out there. This is a fairly pleasant looking, and there's not a lot of spin in the atmosphere either for anything to start. So Hopefully it stays that way. Let's take another look at another. So this will be for Wednesday at 0 0 Z. As you can see, some snow falling up in northeastern Nebraska. Um, Obviously, your tornado is going to be low, but when you get to the snow, then you have your dendritic growth zone. So this is more for snow. This is for your snow and best guess precipitation type snow. Okay, again, your photograph is just crazy, a little spin, but it's not very consistent. And then you have this, and it's they're almost on top of each other the whole way. The whole way. Just here at the bottom, there's a little gap, and of course, up here is mostly always a gap. And then the wind, the upper levels in the atmosphere. So, again, just some snow, some wintertime snow. Let's see if we can let's go to 09Z for tomorrow. Again, your storms firing up in the area where we are concerned for some severe weather tomorrow. I don't think, but look at your photographs here. You have this big spin in the atmosphere. So if any storms can fire up soon enough and take advantage of it, chances of them becoming severe are pretty high. And then we got a bunch of snow still going through the evening of Tuesday evening to Wednesday morning hours, Wednesday afternoon hours, which is not what some people want to hear, but getting a scan in, see. So still no hazard type, they say. Um, I can't foresee anything crazy happening, you know, but snow's moving out of the Nebraska area. The storms are starting to get a little more, starting to fire up a little more. Um, the atmosphere is getting a little more spin in it, as you can see, going up. The sounding graph is still pretty much the same that it's been, so nothing's too crazy changing in that. We're at 18Z Wednesday, and it looks more like a linear. This will be a linear threat. These storms don't seem as spotty as they could be, which is good news. They can't be discrete, so there won't be a leading edge confluence band in front affecting and permitting storm development. So, but we'll see what happens with other models and stuff. Um, oh, we just got a new. You guys saw that over here. This 099 just went green. I believe that is a new scan. What's the farthest we can get to? Saturday. Okay, so Saturday. I meaning to talk about this, but I forgot to. Saturday looks like a big day down in Dixie Alley. Well, that's day 3. I want day 5, I think. Nope, that's day 3 again. I believe I want day 5. Yeah, so day 5 is what we want. Day 5. We have a large 15% chance of seeing severe weather. And this is for Saturday, February 15th to Sunday, February 16th. So the day after Valentine's Day. As you can see here, day 4 to 8, severe weather outlook legend. With 50% chance of seeing severe weather anywhere within 25 miles of a point in this large area from Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, Tennessee, Arkansas. There is a chance that by Friday, okay, that we see an enhanced risk for severe weather with a 10% hatch risk or 15% hatch risk of seeing strong tornadoes. This looks like the chance for another severe weather or tornado outbreak down in Dixie Alley. And they already had one of those early or at the end of 24, and like I think believe December 28th, I think is when it was. So they do have the opportunity again for another outbreak, which is normal this time of year for that area. The winter time is their most active time for severe weather. Um, Obviously, as the day gets closer, I will have more information on um I'll have more information out on my Facebook page and on my community page on YouTube of the more information that I get from the the SPC and the National Weather Service and NOAA, and um we'll let you. I'll get that out as soon as I can. Um, Obviously, it's still pretty far out. Day five, so that's Saturday, Sunday. So, um, it's still a couple days out. So there's a lot of there's still a little bit of uncertainty with it. But I don't know. It's looking like it will hold up just based off the models from Pivotal Weather and stuff I have on my phone that I don't have on my computer, stuff I have on my computer that I don't have on my phone. It looks like it's holding up, but we met the January goal of 50 subscribers, or no, of 40 subscribers. My February goal was 50, and we beat that. We have 53 right now. So the goal right now is to get to 60 subscribers by the end of the month of February. Appreciate everybody who has subscribed to the channel, been on the journey. Make sure it means a lot if you watch the video, if you like it, comment, get it out there to the other people who may not know about the channel. Um, oh, if you're not subscribed or if you are subscribed, make sure you have the notification bell turned on. Um, so you get notified every time I post, a community post or a video or anything. And if you're not following me on Facebook, make sure to follow me on Facebook. It's literally first name, last name on Facebook. It's the same profile as the YouTube profile pic. Um, Follow that. I post on there a lot. Um, yeah. So I think that'll probably pretty much wrap up for today's video. Again, like I said, appreciate you guys supporting the channel, giving the channel love. 53 subscribers. We're 7 away from 60 as of right now. I just checked on my phone. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new, join the family. Um, Hit that notification bell. Comment if you have any comments, if you want to see anything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.